Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. We are watching this.
The one with the beard.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
Few things in life are as functional and awesome as the Beardo hat. It's a beanie.
Watch. Wait,
with a
stand
beard.
still so I can
Designed
see.
by a Canadian snowboarder, the oversized Beardo doesn't just make you lumberjack cool. It
Beards.
also keeps you warm. Beardos are knitted with 100% acrylic yarn, keeping you cozy without irritation.
Can I see now?
The adjustable
No,
Can I see?
just watch that.
attachment
Watch
points
how it works.
ensure a great fit for this one-size-fits-all beanie.
That's
But if you
how
want to
you
try a
put it
clean
on?
shave for a while,
Mm-hmm.
you can conveniently fold the beard into the hat or completely detach it for a normal beanie look. Unlike a real beard, the Beardo doesn't need
I don't
grooming
want to
to
put
keep
that
you from
brown
looking like
beard
a
on
crazed
me.
hobo.
Why
I
not?
want to keep it in that gray
Available in
hat.
different colors, the Beardo is ideal for snowboarding, skiing, hiking, or just keeping warm.
Oh, I thought it was a twist off.
She has a
How did
beard.
Yep.
So drop your beard envy and pick up a Beardo. Available now at that19.com. That19.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
What color Beardo do you want?
Purple's my favorite color.
Purple's your favorite color? You want a purple
Purple.
Beardo?
Mm-hmm.
Watch. Here's the website for Beardo wear. And they've got those ones. And those ones. And those ones. Oh, and they've got clip-on mustaches. Which one did you like?
Purple is my favorite color. Do you know that I want a purple beard and a purple hat?
Purple beard and a purple hat?
Mm-hmm.
What about a purple beard and a blue hat or pink hat?
Nope. I want to just a purple hat and a purple beard because that's what I want. That and a purple mustache.
And a purple mustache?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, we'll see what we can do, okay?
I like purple. I'm a girl, and girls like purple. I like purple, and Jordan, she like pink. I meant purple.